are bold, loud, articulate and cute. Kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need. Baby, you are a queen. You are black, love, and confident too. Kinda quintessential and you love in you. Baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, so as you see by the title, I am going to be styling my old wash and go, and I'm going to be creating a mohawk hairstyle with my natural hair. So right now you just see me spraying my old crusty hair. And yes, it's very crusty, y'all. So I'm trying to let my wash and go last, but yeah. So I'm applying some oil on my scalp because it had a little dandruff on it and it was just itching. Now I'm going to be applying my Gorilla Snot gel on the part that I'm going to be twisting it on. And I love this gel, you guys. Like, it actually lays my edges very well. So I'm just going to smooth that throughout these strands. And I'm just going to start brushing it through. And I'm just going to be twisting this part up. When I do my flat twist, there's nothing in particular. I'm just grabbing each section and catching my hair as I go down. And as I go down, I'm just going to be twisting the ends of my hair all the way down till I get to the ends. And you'll see why I'm going to be doing this at the end. Everything will actually come together if it doesn't make any sense to you right now. So anyways, I'm not going to let this wash and go last too long, you guys, because I have another video that I am going to be putting up. And I just want to wash my hair, but I just try to give you guys content that I feel that you, oh Lord. I'm not gonna delete that. So I'm gonna give you guys content that I feel that you would enjoy, and I feel that this hairstyle is very bomb, so I'm actually glad to show you guys this look. After I twist my hair, I'm going to get this rubber band and I'm just going to take these two parts here. I'm just going to combine it together, put it into a little ponytail, and you won't have to worry because if you have like thick hair and a lot of hair in your head, that part will actually be hidden. So I'm just going to apply some white strings on this part. Now, I did not record this, y'all. Only did like a little bit. But it was horrible, like looking at the camera, trying to put it through the hole, and it was just too much. So I just did the rest off camera, and this is how it looks. So I'm just going to be taking my hair, and I'm just going to be fluffing it out and picking it out until I get the look that I'm going for. For this last step, I'm going to be applying my Tresemme holding spray. Now, this step is very important, especially if you have big hair like me. You want to make sure that your hair stays in place, especially like if you're going to go outside. Like today, the wind was so crazy, and surprisingly, my hair still stayed in place. Now, don't get me wrong, it did shift a little as the wind was blowing, but overall, it did do its job. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions for me, hit me up in my comment box below. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Love y'all. Bye.